Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a moist lemon garlic turkey with gravy and mashed potatoes. Let's begin. In a pan, add cold salted water and boil potatoes until they are soft. Once they are done, drain the water. Peel them while they are still hot. You may handle them with a kitchen towel to avoid burning your hand. Chop them into cubes or smaller pieces. That will make it easy for you to mash them. I'm using a potato masher. You may use a potato ricer. Once mashed, pass them through a sieve, like a double sieve or what is called a double drum sieve, and collect from underneath the sieve because they adhere on the sieve below. Then put them on a stove at low heat and add cold butter. Stirring in between, add warm milk and stir. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of new posts. You continue the process until all your measured ingredients that you'll find in the description box are done. Continue mashing the potatoes. They will be soft, smooth, and delicious. Add salt and pepper. Then you may serve your mashed potatoes. That's how easy they are. I hope you enjoy them. I've garnished them with parsley. Let's make a moist lemon garlic turkey with gravy. Let's start by making garlic lemon butter. Zest lemons and squeeze juice out of them. In a bowl, add unsalted softened butter. Then sprinkle salt and ground peppercorn or pepper. Mix. Then add your lemon zest and lemon juice and stir until all the ingredients are blended. Add chopped cloves of garlic. Then chop fresh parsley and add it into the garlic butter bowl. Mix Set it aside. Let's prepare our turkey. We will start with the cavity. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Season the cavity with salt and pepper. Cut an onion or onions into halves. This will depend on the size of your turkey. Peel the onions, then insert them into the cavity. We are stuffing it to keep it moist. Add the cut lemons that were zested and juiced. Add more if there is still space. Line the cavity with bay leaves. Carefully and slowly loosen the skin. As shown in the video, insert your fingers to loosen it further so that the skin doesn't break. Move your fingers to the breast of the turkey and both sides of the turkey, meaning the left and the right side, as I am showing in the video. Do the same on the top part of the turkey, the neck side. Loosen the skin to the breast, up to the breast. Then form or make a ball with the lemon garlic butter and insert it between the skin and the flesh of the turkey. It's going to be slippery. Try and push it in as I am doing or showing. Once the ball is in, try to press it flat so that it can move up until the breast part, because the turkey breasts tend to be dry. We're doing that for that reason. Do the same at the bottom where you have loosened the skin, and rub that butter that's inside so that it flattens and spread inside the bed. Then turn it over and rub it with the lemon butter, the lemon garlic butter. Rub every area, even under the wings themselves, every area. Literally. Give it tender love and care, and it will give back to you. Drizzle it with olive oil to avoid butter getting burnt. Roast it in the oven for about 10 minutes, then bring it back. Roasting at 220 degrees Celsius. Cover it with streaky bacon. Reason for that, so it stays moist with that fat from the bacon. Otherwise, if you do not eat bacon, use foil to cover the turkey. Drizzle the bacon with juices and oil from the turkey so that it doesn't burn easily. Then take it back into the oven and roast it at 200 degrees Celsius reduced heat now for about 2 hours, depending on the size of your turkey. For a moist turkey, the breast should be 73 degrees Celsius, and in the thigh it should be 79 degrees Celsius. And once you take it out, drizzle it again with the gravy or the juice that comes out from it. There you go. It looks marvelous. Look at the skin and the moisture. Remove the bacon. Let it rest for 2 hours. Allow it to rest with the stuffing inside the cavity. It will cool down with it. Then remove it. Do not throw the stuffing away. We will use it for gravy making. Chop the onions. Then the bacon. If you notice, some of the bacon I left it in the gravy so that it stays moist, and some it's dry. Chop tomatoes. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Take out the gravy from the roasting pan and skim the oil. Now we want to fry our ingredients before we add back the gravy, and we're using the same roasting pan because it has flavors on its floor. Add the onion once the oil is hot. Then chopped garlic cloves and stir. Add your spices like chicken spice or any of your choice, followed by bacon. Let it fry for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add your chopped tomatoes and let them fry for another 2 minutes, stirring in between. Add your fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme, stirring in between. Allow it to fry. Then add your stock with apple cider vinegar or lemon or wine. Stir and sprinkle salt and pepper and stir. Add back the gravy and stir. Taste your gravy and make adjustments in terms of flavor if necessary. Then cut the wings from the turkey, add them into the gravy to add more flavor. Allow the gravy to simmer on medium to low heat, then sift the gravy so you are left only with the liquid part. There you go. Your gravy is ready. I hope you will enjoy these recipes. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.